Once you log into the app, your Tomarket app, you're going to be greeted with the following: Bitget wallet and Tomarket $20,000 giveaway, claim BWB token and Tomarket stars. Okay, so if you want to start, what you need to do is to click on the start button. Don't forget, this ends on the 11th of September at exactly this time. Okay, so I can click on the start button. So clicking on that claim will bring you to the tax section of your Tomarket app. Okay, so I want you to pay close attention. 20,000 Bitget wallet token giveaway. Okay, and these are the things we are supposed to do. I want you to see there is a timer. We've got 4 days, 18 hours, 37 minutes. Okay, so you can go to the event rules if you want to. Okay, as you can see right here, I've completed this one and this one. So if you have not, that is, if yours reads start just like we have here, then you have to do it. And what is this all about? Download the Bitget wallet. Okay, so you would have to follow the link to download the Bitget wallet. The next one reads connect the Bitget wallet to your Tomarket app. Okay, so to do that, you would have to just click on whatever you see here. Obviously it's supposed to be start to connect. Okay, so once you've done those two, if you come back to your app, you're gonna see claim. Okay, so I'm gonna claim them now. Let me claim that because I've done those two. So claim. So the third thing I'm supposed to do to be part of this is to trade. Remember, in my previous video I showed you how to add $1 worth of assets to this Bitget wallet. Okay, if you've not seen that video, I'm gonna link it to the description of this video so you can see it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is to click on the trade button. Follow me closely. So that brings me here. So I've got about 2 minutes to complete all of this. Okay, so have assets holding in Bitget wallet. Okay, and then complete a swap to win this BWB token, which is the Bitget wallet native token. Okay, and hold BWB to share an additional $10,000 worth of BW, and go to the Tomarket app and link your Bitget wallet now. So these are the basic things I'm supposed to do. Again, complete a swap to win BWB. So I'm going to complete a swap. Let me even see if there are additional informations. So complete a swap transaction of any amount to receive a 5-star reward. Okay, users who complete a swap transaction of greater than 10 USDT have a chance to win an additional reward of up to 500 BWB. So you can transact, okay, using more than 10 USDT if you want to increase your chances of winning this BW or more BWB tokens. Okay, so and the next is hold BWB to share an additional $10,000 worth of BWB. Okay, so I'm going to click on start interaction. So what you can do now is to click on open. So this is how much I have in my wallet. Okay, in my previous video I showed you how to send money in here. Okay, so if you watch that video, you understand how I got this $1.7 to sit right here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is to do the swapping. Okay, so I'm gonna click on this trade right here. So what I'm gonna do now is to swap USDT or whatever asset I already have sent in here to any token of my choice, because that was what they said. So I'm going to click on that. So I'm going to select the token I want to swap. I want to swap TON, so I'm going to click on that. So I've got TON selected. So okay, so as you can see, I've got about 0.374 worth of TON. So I'm going to click on this. Okay, so clicking on that is going to bring our TON here. So what token do I want to swap it for? I want to swap it for BWB. So I'm going to click on this. Okay, so now I'm going to look for BWB. Okay, it is already here. Okay, so I'm going to click on that. So what I'm going to do now is to click on marks, that marks there. Okay, so now so what I'm going to do is look at all the details of this transaction. So I'm swapping TON for BWB. And why I'm swapping for BWB is because if you hold some BWB, it gives you a higher chance of also participating in a $10,000 worth of BWB giveaway. I think I am right with that information. I'm gonna look at it again. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is look at all of this. If I'm okay with it, I'm gonna click on the confirm. Okay, so let's see what happens. So click on confirm. I don't know what happened. Okay, click on it again. Okay, so that brings me to this swap confirmation page. I'm gonna click on the confirm down here. Let's see what happens next, and I'm gonna enter my password. So I am swapping. So you can see my order has been submitted. So I'm gonna click on OK. So I can give feedback if I want to, or do that later. So I hope you saw what I did to do this swapping. So after that, come back to the home page, okay, and then go to the wallet section. Click on that right there. I want you to notice now that I have got some BWB in my wallet. Okay, I have swapped my ton, okay, for BWB. I've got about 3.4 BWB worth about 0.98 US dollars. And remember, they said swap for any amount that is gonna get you into the game. Okay, so this is how to go about it. If you're wondering how you can do this is how to do it. And now I'm gonna go back to the app. Okay, this was what I was talking about earlier. Hold BWB to share an additional 10,000 BWB. Okay, and how much of BWB are you actually supposed to hold? During the promotion period, who participate in wallets holding more than 200 BWB. Oh, okay, the swapping I just did got me about 3 point something BWB. So I guess I'm not qualified for this. So if I want to participate in this one, all I can do is to send some more ton into my wallet, Bitget wallet. If you want to know how to do that, just watch the previous video. Then I'm going to use that ton to swap for more BWB, and that will get me in queue for this. Okay, so I think we've done all of this. Okay, so we've participated in this. All I need to do is to probably claim my rewards for doing this. Okay, so it's still rotating now. Maybe after some time it's going to display claim, and I will just claim it. Okay, so that is it. The thing is still on. We've got 4 days more to do this. Okay, so if you've not done it, you can go ahead and do yours. Okay, I've got something to do here to boost the Tomarket Telegram. Let me click on that. I think this is for premium users, Telegram premium users. Okay, so I'm just going to do the boosting. I can reassign my boost. Okay, reassign from GOAT to this, reassign and do the boosting. Okay, so that gets me that right there. So what do you guys think? If you've got any questions regarding this, just let me know in the comment section. Let's go.